do a currency exchange?
We don't do any foreign exchange here at all.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Magnificent.
Hi guys, I'm finally back to uni, back to business, back to reality. It's 2023. Time to sleep is after. I'm just gonna say so now I am going to get my life together. Like, I feel like during the holiday I was just going with motions. You text me, Felicia, do you want to go there? I'll be like, yes. Felicia, you want to do this? Yes. Didn't have a plan for the day. I'll just sleep, wake up the next day and be like, what am I doing today? Like, what is the plan today? But it's 2023. I am getting my life together. I wrote down a few stuff. Wait, let me show you. So I wrote down a few stuff in just a notepad, a notebook, a little notebook, and I just wrote down stuff that I want to do today that is gonna help me plan. So I'm just gonna say a few things, and I've already done a few of these things because, first of all, I went to the bank. So I went to the bank. Tell me why the bank in Galway does not do currency exchange. Like, there's no bureau in Galway. Does that even make any type of sense? Any little sense? It doesn't make any type of sense. Like, why is there no bureau in Galway? Like, you have a whole university, you have universities that have international students. Don't you think maybe it's a good idea to have a whole bureau? Like, I need to exchange money. Like, anyway, I did that, and then I went to the bank and reduced the money, but y'all don't need to know that. But I need to what's it called, unpack my stuff. It's as if I'm moving back into this place again, even though when I opened the cupboards I was like, oh, my stuff is still inside there. Like, you'll never know. First of all, my story says full, guys. Like, why? Anyway, you never know the kind of humbling experience, the kind of feeling you feel. Storage is killing me. But the humbling experience of pushing bags is not it. It's not it. It will never be it. But anyway, so I am going to unpack my stuff. Right, I have written down my goals for 2023, but like, I haven't done it in depth. If you watch one of my videos and I was saying do systems instead of goals, when I was writing them down, I was writing my goals and I didn't do systems for all of the goals because I was sick that day. I just was not feeling too good. But then now I want to actually like break my goals down and like write them down. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to spend time with God. I just want to like plan everything. I just want to fix my life. I just want to getting ready for 2023. Like, let's get into it. Let's be that girl. Okay, so yeah, you'll watch me do that. Tell me why I'm emptying my suitcase and the eggs broke. Don't even ask me why do I have eggs in my suitcase. Yeah, don't ask me. But the eggs broke. I took out the cereal and I was like, why is it wet? Why is it wet? And then I see that the eggs broke. The eggs broke. Bro, like, no. Oh my
Jump scare.
gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, are you kidding me? Hey. This is a disgrace and it's embarrassing. Like, oh. This is literally so disgusting. Like, oh. And one thing about me, I hate the smell of raw eggs. Like, I actually hate the smell of raw eggs. I can't deal. And now my suitcase is full of raw eggs. Like, what kind of nonsense is this? And now I'm scared of breaking these eggs. Like, not again. That's bleach. Bleach! Ah! Bro, I'm tired. What's this? Throw the whole thing away. Like, is the devil trying to tell me not to prepare my life for 2023?
Important to tell someone, like holding it in, and also don't feel prideful, because I feel like reasons why I was so scared to tell people is because it's like if they find out, they think, Charlie, this girl's Betsy. Aish! The Bible literally says, in a multitude of counsel there is safety. So you get it. When you're around people who are able to build you up, encourage you, advise you, admonish you, Charlie, there's safety. I'm telling you, because I've been there before. I'll have Christian friends who, you know, they give me good advice, but their lifestyle don't really, you feel, match up. So it's like you're both slight in and out. But when you have Christians who are very, very strict on it, you yourself, you become strict.
If y'all are wondering what am I listening to, I'm listening to NKTV Pa and Official Didi. That's her new podcast. Just one more time, overcoming lust and temptation with NKTV Pa. Period.
Deliver you from.
So I've made progress. I have to just put all this food inside in the kitchen. I don't want anybody to ask me why do I have food with me here. Like, you know, uni life, you know how it is. So don't ask me. Don't do it. Don't. Okay? You go home and you do your shopping there. Period. It's giving body. Milk. Tell me why the milk is expiring 11th of January and right now it's the 10th of January. What's the actual point then? What's the point? I bought this like yesterday. What's the point? I'll only drink this once and never again. Like, they need to extend this date because I don't know. And I just know for sure that African parents, like my mom does not believe in expiring dates. She will drink it further on. No, but you can taste the difference. Okay, some foods still don't need expiring dates because they actually do not follow the expiring date. But some food, I'm so sorry, but the expiring date matters. Okay. Basically I have I've cleaned up my room, I've packed everything. I just need to shower and do admin work. So basically, like, make sure that I have I've put like appointment dates. My appointment that I have, like I have to go to the Garda station. Like I'll know, okay, yeah, I put it there, whatever date. I've also put like birthdays and honestly just plan my life and know what I'm gonna be doing the next day, because I hate living in a limbo where like I just wake up and I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Like I want to wake up and know like exactly what I'm doing today, tomorrow, whatever, even if it's not like exact, because every day is not perfect. But and I can't plan for the whole year because that's impossible, but at least like plan important dates that I know, yeah, this day is this day. And then I want to plan like ACS events and meetings and everything. So yeah, so I need to remove these nails because yeah, it's that it like first of all they are growing. Like if you can see, they're being outgrown. And second of all, my course doesn't allow these, especially if I go to clinic. But if it's like lecture days, I can have nails on, but then I have clinic on Fridays. And honestly, they're starting to hurt me. Like when they grow long, too long, when they overgrow, they start to hurt me because I don't know, it just hurts. Like everything I do, if I put on shoes, I just bang my hand, it hurts. I just put on a zipper, put on a button, do anything that I do and I'm not thinking about it, I'll just hurt my nail, and I'm just like, yeah, it's time to go. So I'll probably remove these as well and then carry on. I'll also download Notion because the way I'd be deleting Notion because I just don't know how to use Notion. Like I've downloaded Notion so many times and I've deleted it so many times because I just do not know how to use it. But I'm gonna download it because I actually want to learn how to use it. And when I learn how to use it, watch this face. Y'all don't even know what's coming. Period. So I use Google Calendar to do all my planning, and then my notes app and paper and pen, basically.
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burden.